dropped in to see Martin at Colpa Precision Engineering in Watford. Now, they do have a suite of Citizen machines. Massive fans of Citizen, is that right?
Yeah.
Now, the first thing, you're looking at buying a machine. The Citizen handle the whole thing in terms of, the bar feed, the swarf conveyor, the mist extraction, basically everything?
Yeah, we tell them what we want, pick what we want, and then they handle the whole thing.
Yeah. So nice and easy and simple to do?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now you've got this machine here, the A32?
That's right, yeah.
Okay, so I'm assuming 32mm bar, I can work that one out?
Yeah, you're learning.
Never a problem. And bar feed, you've gone 3 metre bar feed around the whole facility?
Yeah, because 3 metres is a standard bar, so it comes in, goes straight into the bar feeder, no cutting up.
Yeah. So easy in terms of logistics and saving money and not having and less remnant?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Okay. Now, this machine itself, twin spindle, how many station tooling wise?
So say it's 26 tools, 10 of them live.
Yeah. Okay, so pretty much the same as your A20, just a bigger bar.
Yeah, so same machine, but just a bit bigger.
Okay. Now, why do you like the Citizen machines? Because you've got 5 of them, is that correct?
Yeah, they're accurate machines. They're good to look at, and they produce a really good part.
Okay, and you can run them 24/7, no problems?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, also controls. I noticed some of your machines got Fanuc, but you've got Mitsubishi. You like the Mitsubishi controls?
Yeah, I prefer the Mitsubishi controls just because there's a little bit extra on them, extra codes.
Okay. But easy to switch between the two.
Oh yeah, if you learn one of them, you know the other one.
Okay. In terms of processing time, is it a bit quicker?
No, it's pretty much the same.
Okay, that's fair enough. Now, one of the sort of reasons you've got this machine is the components in manufacturing. So do you want to talk us through a couple of examples?
Yeah. So we're making this component at the moment. We used to make this a different way. So we used to, these 2 pins here. So this is one solid component, white out solid bar. So we used to have to drill the holes, make these pins separate. The parts then had to go off to the brazers. They brazed, they came back, we then had to clean them up, and then they went out. But now the bar goes in the machine, this comes out finished out the end, and it goes off to the platers.
Nice and simple. So before it sounded like quite a laborious sort of operation.
Oh yeah, we've saved ourselves loads of time with this part.
Okay. Nice little part there. And what's the other part you got there?
Yeah, and the other part, pretty much the same sort of thing. There's a raised pin there. So we used to do this in about 4 different ops. So we'd have to make the pin separate. The machine it was done on was just a single turret machine. So we had to drill and tap this on another machine, make the pin. We had to press the pin in, glue it in. But now this comes off the machine in 1 op complete.
Okay, so essentially coming down from 3-4 ops just to the 1 op, done.
Yeah, and all the deburring is done on the machine as well.
Okay, so it actually comes off like that and it's ready to go, be shipped out.
Yeah.
Nice and simple. So a great example of what you can actually do on the Citizen machines. Are you looking to buy some more, I assume?
Yeah, in the not too distant future, definitely.
So Martin, quick summary of why you like Citizen so much.
Just as they're fast, they're accurate, they're a good machine, they're easy to learn.
Thank you very much.